Very good morning, dear students of Standard 6. Today I have came with the notes of geography subject, that is lesson number 8 from your textbook, page number 45 to 50. Okay, natural resources. Here are some notes which will be very helpful to in your studies. Okay, it will help you in writing your papers. So these notes are provided to you, so please have a look. Now see, place a tick mark against the correct option. Which of the following natural vegetation is found in a polar region? Answer is tundra. Which of the following animal is employed for ploughing? That is oxen. Which of the following product is obtained from the forest? Rubber. Come to next question. Air is available in plenty. You have to write right or wrong, or you can say true or false. Okay, whatever it is, you have to write in the same order. So the answer is absolutely right. Second one, we obtain salt from river water. Answer is wrong. We obtain salt from sea water. Natural resources are to be used in judicious manner. Answer is right. Now come to name the following. Okay, natural resources. Natural resource में क्या क्या आता है? Air, soil, water, plants, animal, minerals and land. These all things come in the natural resources. The natural resource used for burning is air. Products obtaining from forest: fruits, flower, wood, honey, rubber, resin, latex, etc. Next one, river basin help in flourishing ancient civilization. So the answer is Sindhu, Indus, Nile, Tigris, Euphrates, Yangtze, etc. Fifth one, animals employed for transportation and carry goods. Answer is it's horse, oxen, camel and asses. Next one, product obtained from animals are milk, meat, bones, hide, wool, etc. Non-metallic mineral, gypsum, rock salt and calcite. Okay, so this is name the following. Now come to next question. Answer the following in one sentence. You have to write in a single sentence only. What are called natural resources? So the answer is the natural things that man used to fulfill his needs are called natural resources. Which is the one of the most important resources for agriculture? Answer is soil is one of the most important resources for agriculture. What are minerals? So the answer is the minerals are inorganic substance that form in naturally occurring chemical processes. Where do minerals mainly come from? Minerals mainly come from rock. How much in proportion of land on the earth? The proportion of land on the earth is nearly 29.20%. Now come to next question. Answer the following in brief. See, you can see it. Hope so video is clear for you. What factor influence the information of soil? So the answer is due to continuous variation in temperature, rocks get decomposed. Due to river, glacier and wind, rock particles are deposited slowly toward low-lying area. In this way, the factor like original rocks, climate, organic component, slope of land and time influence the information of soil. Next question. Write the use of mineral. So the answer is Metallic minerals are used to obtain different metals such as iron, bauxite, etc. Non-metallic minerals are used in obtaining various chemicals. These chemicals are further used for preparing different medicine. How is a land used for various purposes? So the answer is the land is used for various purposes according to characteristics like physiography, soil, climate, minerals and availability of water, etc. Thus, land is used for various purposes as per the availability of other rural resources. Now, write the brief about the natural distribution of living organisms including human. So, the answer is depending on the characteristics of land and climate, various living things are found on the land in different proportion. The distribution of these living organisms including humans is not uniform. The factor like rocky terrains, steep slopes, flat plains, mountainous region, forest cover area, river basin, etc. affect distributing of living organisms including humans. Now our next question is, what are the use of following resources? Answer is, first one, water. So water is used for drinking, bathing, washing clothes, etc. It is also used for farming, carrying out fishes, producing salt, etc. What about forest? Now forest is used for gathering products such as fruit, flower, wood, honey, rubber, resin, latex, etc. Forests are the habitat for many animals. Now animal are useful for plowing, riding, transporting goods, etc. They are also useful for getting products like milk, egg, meat, bones, hide, wool, etc. Minerals. Metallic minerals are useful to obtain various metal and metallic minerals are useful for obtaining various chemicals. Next is land. Land is used for selling and buying, constructing houses, trading, carrying out business, etc. All living things that are born on land grows, live and die on the land itself. Why is it necessary to conserve natural resources? Most of the natural resources are limited in nature. Increase in human population and the greed of humans lead to explosive use of natural resource. This began to upset the balance of nature. Therefore, it is necessary to conserve natural resource. Complete the following table. Now see, here is a table over here. Natural resources. Soil is used for farming, air, respiration to take breath, water, farming, fishing, drinking, cleaning, salt making, etc. Minerals is used for metals, vegetation, fruit, flower, wood, rubber, resin, latex, etc. Animals, plowing, transporting goods for getting milk, egg, bones, meat, hide, wool, etc. Land is used for selling and buying, constructing houses, trading, carrying and for business. Okay, this is a following chart. Hope so you have got your notes. So students, just follow me, follow my channel, and it will be very helpful to give your examination of second term. Till then, stay safe, be happy.